Well, hello there. This is Shop Talk with Buck. I am Buck. Welcome to my shop. It looks like a tornado has hit it. What I did, I decided to come down here and see if I couldn't. If y'all watch the channel, I'm going to put a French cleat wall here. And then I bought a cabinet like that, except it's black, but everything else looks to be the same, but it's going to go over here. I had to remove that thing wore out. It's made out of metal. It's probably no telling how old that is, but it wore out. So what I decided to do is go with another one of those instead of building one. Probably gonna wish I'd build one, but I'm gonna put a French cleat system on this wall right here, and I'm gonna get my stuff where I'm working. It's just right here. It'll save all kinds of times. But I thought I'd come in and kind of show you. I don't know how I would record this without this being boring to tears, if you know what I mean. But I just thought it does look like a bomb hit it, but it's actually, in the long run, it's going to be a lot nicer. I'm going to see, there's places in the wall that if you get just right, I don't know if the camera picked that up or not, you can see outside. So what I thought about doing, I can build me a French cleat wall. That's what I was going to do. However, what I'm thinking about doing is put me up an 1.5 or 2x2s as studs on the wall and put that 1/2-inch sheet of plywood over it. If nothing else, that will make it warmer in here. But like I said, I bought another cabinet like that. It's supposed to be here Friday. It's gonna go right there. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get that plywood and get it squared away. Then I can add the cleats to it anytime. I guess I will. I forgot to get anything for it. But anyway, if I can get that up, that'll help me out for weather, to insulate it a little better, so forth and so on. Get me a French cleat and get my stuff up there. I've already got a bunch of French cleat stuff, but I'll have to build some stuff and get it to where. What I like about the French cleat system is you ain't locked into nothing. You can move, mix and match, and build new, get your little things like you want them to suit your needs. And as time goes on and on, your needs changes, it'll adapt. So and I guess that's why I'm going with a French cleat wall. It's strong too. The way I'm gonna put this thing up, it'll be good and stout. So yeah, this thing it's gonna be different, but I'm kind of looking forward to it. I think it'll be better in the long run. Get that old wore out thing out of here, and yeah, it's gonna be nice, I believe. But that's what you try to do, is move forward. Yeah, just keep moving forward best you can. Get it to suit you. It's your shop, it needs to suit you, right? Like this is my shop, it needs to suit me. Your workflow is different than mine. You find something that works for you, you need to go for it. Okay, that's perfect. Just to recap, I took and got my air compressor moved outside. I'm gonna fix that big shop for next winter. I am looking forward to a wood stove, if you know what I mean. This summer, I got the air conditioners do good. They've come a long way, these air conditioners. They'll, because you want to keep the temperature down to where you ain't sweating all over your work. That's kind of miserable, if you know what I mean. So the cooling part is no big deal. Of course, the tighter I can get it, the better it'll be, if you know what I mean. But what's been getting me is heating it up. Between the electricity and the kerosene, it's been expensive. So I've got enough. I got 3.5 acres here, and I got enough fallen trees to feed that wood stove. So why not? I like wood stove anyway, burning wood. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I had some pretty good weather here. Here the last few days, I believe we're right in the middle of Blackberry winter. And if y'all grandfathers and all had told you what that means when it warms up after blackberries bloom, you put your coats up because winter is over. And that's kind of what I'm afraid of. I like to get outside now and do what I want to do outside. But it's going to get here in Tennessee, it gets hot quick. I mean, it goes right into just a bit of spring and then right into summer. So when it gets hot, I'll come inside. We'll do projects and whatnot. But that's going to do it today. Yeah, that's going to do it today. I need to make me a list, don't I? Where I get the cameras rolling and I kind of forget what I'm doing. Y'all don't have that problem, do you? Well, I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all be safe.